Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Tactical Medic BBK or Boo Boo Kit. Alright, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to show you this item. This is an item I picked up at the last gun show I went to and I haven't done anything with yet. I am replacing some stuff in my everyday carry bag. And this was just going to go in just as it is. It's a simple little boo-boo kit. You know, one of the things I like to tell people is we always think of disasters and survival and preparedness as kind of some big grand event, you know, where we're going to need tourniquets and quick clot and machine guns and the whole 9 yards. And in reality, one of these little kits can be a whole lot more handy than all that other gear in small or basic emergencies. Not to mention, you can carry this in your pocket at work or whatever, and if you get injured, you know, a little cut, whatever, you're all set to go. So I'm going to show you the instructions. I'm going to show you the ingredients of what's inside here. You can pause that and take a look. And what I'm going to do is take everything out. It comes in a nicely packaged little bag inside, a little Ziploc bag. So we're going to take everything out. And I'm going to spread it out here on the table and show you what it's all about. And these are available in my Amazon store. I did see that they were selling them up there, but if you go to the tacticalmedic.com, they have a ton of medical gear and very affordable prices too. But this is just a small little kit that I wanted to show you guys because something like this is really, really handy for everyday use. And I think these weigh about 3 ounces. They're 4 inches by 3 inches. And 1 inch thick. So we're going to take everything out of the inside here, spread it out, and let you know what's inside. Alright, so it doesn't look like a lot, huh? Yeah, but let me tell you something. When you really need a Band-Aid or you really need an aspirin, that's going to come in handy. So, we're going to dig through it first. First, we have 6 of the 1x3 Band-Aids. Okay, next up, we got the Fingertip Bandages. That's these here. They kind of, I don't know if you can see through that, but they wrap around so you can put them on the tip of your finger. And we have the Knuckle Bandages. The back is usually a better way to show you what they look like. Okay. Next up, you got 2 of the Antibiotic Ointment, triple Antibiotic Ointment. This is very handy for preventing infections and for healing. Next up, we have the hydrocortisone. 2 of those. Okay. Then we have 2 acetaminophen. Where are those? There we go. Right there. And we have 1 aspirin. That's down here. 1 antacid. I will probably end up using that after some very spicy food. 1 ibuprofen, which is this guy here. And the burn cream. Now, the box itself is kind of roomy, so there is a little more room for stuff in there. I definitely think it's something handy for people to have, especially preppers. You know, we don't think of, you know, the Band-Aid type stuff and simple stuff. We think of more, like I said, the bigger, more involved preps, sutures, tourniquets, quick clot, all that stuff. Stuff like this is what really comes in handy in day-to-day life as well as a survival situation. So anyway, this is the Tactical Medic Boo Boo Kit. Real simple. It's $9. I think they charge $3 shipping. It's in my store on Amazon down below. It's just a basic first aid kit. You can fit it in your pocket, purse, glove box, wherever. You know, a kit like this might be handy to have in the car if you have kids. You know, they're always cutting their little fingers, whatever. Something like this could be really, really handy to have. Anyway, that's the video for today. Don't forget to check out our Amazon store down below. I have this plus many other survival-related items in there. If you don't see anything you like in there, you can just click the link and shop as you normally would on Amazon. Helps us bring more content to the channel. And don't forget to check out our Thrive Life store. That's the link down below the Amazon link. And I will put a link directly to this kit too on Amazon. But our Thrive Life store down below, we've got everything you could possibly need for freeze-dried goods, food, storage solutions, everything. So check them out too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.